Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I'm going to be unboxing Boxycharm for April. Boxycharm is a monthly makeup subscription box. It's around $20 depending on what kind of service you buy. And they do have higher end ones that are a little bit more expensive. This is the regular box. It comes once a month and it has several full-size makeup products in it. So this says Festival Vibes, and I'm going to show all sides of the cart because I have been requested that. So here's some kind of boxy perks, like clothing thing. It says 55% off your next order, next level fashion starting at $12, misguided.com. So it's an ad for this clothing thing. Then you've got your information here and stuff about the pop-up shop. So one of the things with Boxycharm is they do a pop-up shop every couple months where you can go in and purchase things at quite a hefty discount if you are a Boxycharm subscriber. The other thing in here is makeup eraser. And you can buy a makeup eraser here at a discount code, it looks like, which I might have to do. I can't find mine right now. They're really amazing. You just dampen it and then you wipe and all your makeup comes off. I don't know how it works. Anyway, so the first thing in here is Iconic London. It is a lip gloss. Plumping lip gloss, and I've used Iconic lip gloss before and I love it, love it, love it. My other one is sort of a nude lip gloss, and the weirdest thing is this top part sometimes breaks and gets stuck in the cap, or something weird happens where it breaks or gets pushed down or something. So every once in a while I'll open it up and it'll be kind of messy and leaky, and then it'll fix it. So I don't know what's going on with it, but it's really weird. But then it fixes itself and then it's fine, and I love the color. And this one looks okay inside. I wonder if it was like old packaging. This one looks like it's all one piece. So it looks much more sturdy. Anyway, I'll go ahead and swatch this here. So it looks like a pretty sort of light pink. And the next thing is Gel Paint Electric Pink and Electric Blue. There you go. I'll go ahead and swatch them. Super, super creamy. So those are ones that you sharpen. They are nice. The next thing in here is Iconic London Illuminator. Looks like a liquid highlighter. I never know how to swatch liquid highlighters. I guess I'll just kind of do this. So it says it's a concentrated liquid shimmer that can be added to foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or used on its own for highlighter. So the next thing in here is Elemis Superfood Hydration Juice. And this is gel moisturizer. I've used their stuff before, pretty good. Then the last thing in here, Benefit Professional Hydrating Primer. So I've used this as a sample before, but I never had a full size. Okay, that's a really good size for primer, considering that you just use a few little dabs. The primer's worth $32. The hydration gel is worth $48. The illuminator is worth $41. The lip gloss is worth $28. And then the gel paint duo is worth $42. So that is almost $200, and it was only $20. I was paying $19. I'm not sure what I'm paying now, but it was only around $20 for all of that stuff. So that's a really good deal. It's definitely stuff I'm going to use as well. Stuff I don't have. That is everything in this month's Boxycharm. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.